Okay guys, so an app that pays you for simple jobs such as taking pictures of random things in store. Dude, okay, we gotta check this out, boys. Alright guys, so we are back with another video, and yes, today guys we are going over an app called Field Agent, and I do recommend it because, well, I already used it and this is like me before I finish editing and posting this. But basically guys, if you want to go ahead and check this app out for yourself, go ahead and click the link in the description. I'll have one right there for you guys. But anyways guys, let's not waste any more time. Just subscribe if you're new, and now let's get right into, well, how Field Agent works. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so after downloading the app and having this on my phone for about a week, offers started to pop up. Now one of the offers that were listed on there that I could actually do because I was already there was actually go to a superstore and take a few pictures of apples. Honestly, I don't know why they're asking for apples, but you know what, I'm not gonna complain, they're paying me for it. So yeah, let's take a few pictures of apples. Okay guys, so the very first thing we had to do is, well, head over to the apple section. Now over there we had, well, as you guys would guess, a lot of apples, and of course some people that were looking at me weird for wanting so many pictures of apples. But either ways guys, we went ahead and actually grabbed a bunch of photos of these apples and answered a few questions. It was very simple guys, it took us about maybe 3 minutes. Now keep in mind, after you guys get the hang of it, these offers don't actually take that long to do. I think you could honestly do them in a minute or two. I was just being a little dumb, or yeah. But either ways guys, we went ahead and actually just took a few pictures of the apples. We didn't need to buy any, we just needed to grab the photos, answer a few questions, and bam, job complete. So now guys, we are on track to making $3.50 off Field Agent just for taking a few pictures of apples. Now here's the real question, did we get paid or not? Find out in the next. I'm just kidding guys. But basically guys, what we did was actually grab our groceries, put them in the car, and then some ideas start sparking. Okay, so clearly you guys are messing with me, but I went over to my Q&A video and I saw a bunch of comments telling me that I look way older than I actually am. So what did I actually decide to do? Well, I tried buying a lottery ticket. Hi, could I get a Lotto 649 with a Lotto Max?
Can I have your ID, please?
So clearly you guys can see we left empty-handed as expected, but yeah, we drove home, and then a few hours later a new offer popped up. Okay, so the next job offer that we actually had on Field Agent that just popped up was buying a burger from A&W. Now the burger itself would cost us $4 and they were willing to pay us $10, so that means we would profit $6 just for taking on this job. Oh, and also we get a free burger, so that's pretty cool too. Hi, could I get one teen burger?
One teen burger, anything else for you?
No, that will be all.
Drive it.
Okay, so after we got the burger, we just had to pull up to the parking spot for step number 2 of the job, which is literally the final step, and that is taking a few pictures of things and answering a few questions as usual. So what did we actually have to do? Well, we had a picture to take of the receipt, and then after that we had a few questions to answer about the burger itself. Of course, this is all done within the Field Agent app. It's very simple guys. It took me about 5 minutes in total, maybe less, I'm not too sure, but yeah guys, it's very simple. There's not very many questions anyways, so it's very straightforward. Now after we took the pictures, got the questions answered, all we had to do was wait for our bounty, aka the $10, to actually come into our account, and yeah, so we're just waiting for approval now. Okay guys, so here we are on my iPhone, and this right here guys, as you can see, is the updated current balance on Field Agent. Now if we head over to earnings right here, you guys can see we got our payment from our free burger at A&W. If you go into review, there's nothing anymore, so that shows you guys that we actually got paid for the free burger, along with a survey. I totally forgot to document this one guys, but we did have a survey about burgers before that. But yeah guys, if you do see paid surveys available, do take up the offer because you guys can do that from anywhere, including your own house. And next up, you guys can see we got paid for the Apple audit, aka the taking pictures of random apples at Superstore. Now obviously those numbers right there don't actually add up to $18. The rest actually just came from me submitting Costco receipts from previous, times before this video was filmed, which is also pretty cool because if you guys actually don't feel like doing any of these tasks, but you guys do shop at Costco, then go ahead and actually try out this app, because I swear every time you actually upload a receipt to these guys, they will pay you 50 cents per receipt that you send in that is, well, from Costco. Maybe it's a different retailer for you, but in Canada at least, or in my area, it's Costco. Also guys, an important thing to note is the cash out limit on this app is $15, I believe, and they probably do charge a little bit of a fee, so we're gonna see how bad that is, but I mean, it shouldn't be too crazy, maybe $1 or so. But then again guys, I haven't cashed out since they last updated this app, so maybe there is no fees. Who the hell knows? I guess it doesn't even show, so I guess let's find out. Here we go. I guess complete transaction. Here we go guys. Cash out successful. Let's see. Did that actually... Oh damn, that's very fast. Okay, so guys, they did charge me $1 for the actual cash out, so instead of receiving $18 whole, we got $17, which, I mean, it's not bad at all. Now correct me if I'm wrong guys, but I do believe if you save up for a $50 cash out, there is no fee whatsoever. Then again, $1 fee for an entire cash out, that's not too bad whatsoever guys. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and actually checked out on my bank accounts. I don't think they actually paid yet, so it takes probably around a day or so. But as you guys can see, we have cashed out with them before, so, and yes, I have received my money, so I'm not too worried about that. I know these guys do pay, though I don't think I'm gonna be able to throw that into this video guys, because I'm trying to get you guys that Monday upload, and yeah, it's Sunday right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say they paid me. Yay, there we go guys, we got our $17. Woo! Now as you guys can see, there's always offers coming up every single day, so it's, if it's convenient for you, then go ahead and actually accept one of these jobs and go out and try them. Honestly, I think this is a pretty cool way to actually get a little bit of cash back. I guess you could call it cash back, or I wouldn't call this a job because, well, I don't think you can earn a full income with this, but I mean, that would be a cool challenge, don't you think? But either ways guys, you already know what's up. Click the link in the description because that's where you guys will find this app right here. Now my overall thoughts on this, definitely would recommend checking it out at least, because if anything guys, it's definitely worth a quick peek / visit just to actually see what's up on your app. Mind you, all these jobs will be, well, different depending on which area you're actually residing in. Also guys, as you can see, I'm actually editing this video and filming at the same time as I go. So basically guys, this thing, yeah, it's taking me a while, so I would definitely appreciate it if you could drop me a like on this video, because yeah, this took a little while to make. But either ways guys, if you want to earn more money, click on this video right here on screen for you guys, because we love making money making videos on this channel, and I think you guys should also subscribe if you do enjoy that topic. So I'll see you guys in that video. Until then, thank you so very much for watching. Peace out for now.